Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So basically you want to be able to send a picture that already exists on your device as a snap on Snapchat, and you also don't want the other part to know that the picture you sent them as a snap was on your device, and you don't want Snapchat to tell them that it wasn't a snap the same way those filters expose you. You're in the right place. Follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store. Just make sure you have the Snapchat application updated for everything to run smoothly. Now, of course, again, we can open Snapchat, we can try different filters here and there, we can send pictures as snaps, but once the other part opens our snap, Snapchat does expose you and it tells them that you have used one of those filters that people use nowadays to send pictures as snaps. To avoid that, again, follow up with me. The work is going to be outside of Snapchat for now. Go back to your store. Doesn't matter again if it's Play Store or App Store. Let's go ahead and search for an app that is named OVF Editor. This one right here. As you can see, I already have it installed. Make sure you have installed the same one before you open it. Now let's go ahead and open it. It should look like this. You need to click on the photo/video button at the very bottom right here. Now from here, select the image in your gallery that you want to send as a snap. I'm gonna send this Drake photo right here and tap on allow. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now simply tap on share. But before you tap on share, just keep in mind this app is free, so sometimes you might see some ads here and there. Anyways, let's go ahead and tap on share. Watch a quick ad, let me skip through, and voila, it will take you to Snapchat. You can zoom in, you can add captions, filters, music, whatever you want to add. Let me just adjust it right here, and I can tap on send to and choose someone to send this to as a snap, and it's gonna be as easy as that. As you can see, guys, you can open the conversation and you find that it was delivered as a snap. Now if you want to verify, let me go open that other account, because I basically sent it to a fake account of mine. Let me go open that fake account and show you guys that this is completely legit. This is the account that I have sent it to. I'm gonna log in real quick. Go to the conversations. Wait for it to load up. And here it is. This is the snap that I have just sent. As you can see, I can open it and it can show up as a snap. No filter, nothing that exposes me. And that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this method was easy. And if you found it useful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.